Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from M&L FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having a great week so far. All right, so we're here with a trade breakdown of how I managed to catch about 680 pips on NASDAQ 100 in it was like actually about 24 hours. It was absolutely amazing. So let me just delete everything right now and to show you a breakdown of what happened and what made me take this particular trade. All right, so let's go ahead and delete everything right here. Okay, so we had a beautiful trade. I was on this trade was actually sent on this was on the what on the let me just check the date right here. It was on the 1st of November, just yesterday. You can clearly see that this trade was actually shared with our private community right here before everything was taken. So let me just show you. All right. So this is what happened on Nasdaq right here. The time I was looking at the market, I was looking at this level right here. So if you go to the higher time frame right here on the 4-hour time frame, you look for structure. You look for the overall direction of the market. Where is this market going long term? So you can clearly see that for the longest time, this market has been trending to the downside, right? So therefore, your bias is a downtrend. Therefore, you're looking for selling opportunities, right? So you want to look for selling opportunities. So by the time I was looking at this, we had this level right here. You can clearly see that we had a nice rally based drop supply zone right here. This is a rally based drop supply zone. So already that's very significant, right? So you go to the lower time frame and see what is happening at this level. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame and examine what's happening at that level, right? And clearly see we're still having what? We're still having this beautiful rally based drop supply zone right here. So you drop further to the lower time frame. What are we looking for? We're looking for our order block. So in this case, this is a bearish trend. Therefore, what is our order block? Our order block is the last bullish candle before the bearish move. So you go ahead until you find the order block. Find the order block. Once you find the order block, then you wait for price to come to your level. So you can clearly see that my order block was right there. That's my order block right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this to the right side and just wait for the market to come into my zone. And once the market comes into my zone, guess what? I'm going to execute the trade. So this is what happened right here. And it was absolutely great. So remember, this is a rally based drop. So let's go ahead and do just that. So we label that as a rally based drop supply zone. Okay, so let's label that. That's rally based drop supply zone. Okay, and you can clearly see that with this candle here was a beautiful momentum candle, right? So that's very significant. And then you have where the low which was broken right here, which tells you that this market is no longer going to the upside, but therefore this is a potential change of what? Of trend from being an uptrend to a downtrend. So we actually input that level right there. Okay, so let's look. Do we have equal highs? Yeah, you can clearly see equal highs, and you can clearly see that the market was actually trending to the upside like that. You can see the market trending to the upside like that. So we go ahead and find our equal highs, and you can clearly see that we had equal highs just right here. So we had this equal high here and this one right there. So we will go ahead and put this level right there, and also this level right. This tells you that there's liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is where most retail traders actually put their stop losses, and when the market comes there, it can be in form of what we call trendline liquidity, or it can be equal highs or equal lows, right? So what we have here is equal highs. So these equal highs usually triggers retail traders to actually try and sell from those levels right there. So we wait for us who trade smart money concept, just like the QUASIMODO strategy, we wait for the market to take out the liquidity. And once the liquidity has been taken out, we wait for a confirmation on those levels that we're working at, we are waiting for the market to come. And then what do? We execute as soon as our price gives us confirmation, right? So therefore, my plan here, so let me just show you. This is also my higher high right there. That's my higher high up just above there. Okay, clean. So we have a QML, we have a random based drop supply zone right there. So what happens that once the market came to my level right here, it took out this high, this higher highs right here. We came to this level right here. You can clearly see that we had a nice rejection right there. We had a nice pin by rejection right there, and that's where I actually took my trade. All right, from here you determine where you're going to stop. We get stopped out if the market goes against you, and also your take profit target. So basically, I was talking about 27, about 25, 27 pips as stop loss, and my target was these lows right here. So you can clearly see that this was predefined. My risk was already predefined in this particular trade, and I was just waiting for price to do what? For price to actually give me my confirmation. So my stop loss was about 27 pips. It's about 27 pips. Yeah. And I was targeting these lows right here. And you can clearly see how beautiful this trade turned around. This trade was just shared yesterday. Can you imagine? And the market has moved over 680 pips. This is so amazing, right? Just look at this. This is the most perfect trade. Like, this is the most perfect trade. Look at this. The market literally, look at this. Look at the signal that was sent right here. The market literally just rejected from that level, and then we had a beautiful big drop to the downside. Then the market tried to reverse to the upside again. We had another big drop to the downside, which ended up coming to our almost our take profit right here. You can clearly see that we had this big move to the downside, price dropped, then there was news, this price dropped again to the downside, and you can clearly see that the market is almost reaching our target right there. This was amazing. This was amazing, and this was shared in our private community. You can clearly see that the trade was sent right here, and yeah, this was really a perfect trade. All right, so this is how it is. This is basically what we do always. We find our setups and we execute our setups without fear or hesitation. All right, like that's like I always tell you guys, we execute our edge. We have no idea what's going to happen after we take the trade. I didn't know that this market was going to move like this. All I was doing was executing my proven edge. All right, that's what we do. We execute our edge, which has proven to have shown positive expectancy over a series of trades, and you can clearly see that this was really amazing. All right, so if you'd like to learn just the way I trade, if you'd like to learn just the way I execute my trades, we have a mastery course, the MNF mastery course, which covers the strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. There are a bunch of videos out there in our mastery course, which will teach you everything that you need to know for you to be able to trade just like this. All right. Also apart from that, you get to be part of our public community, I mean, our mentorship community, and also our signals community. All right. So you get to ask me any questions at any particular time, right? You have direct access to me, and I'll be able to answer all your questions according to what you ask, right? So this is how it is. You guys, I hope you found this very informative. I mean, this is one of the best videos you find out there. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and share with your friends. Share these videos with your friends, because these are really important videos. All right, so you guys, make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. You guys, until next time, goodbye and God bless you.